Holiday Village Atlantica Mikri Poli Kos, family-focused all-inclusive retreat in Kardamina. Situated on the sun-drenched shores of Kardamina in Kos, Greece, Holiday Village Atlantica Mikri Poli Kos is a sprawling 5-star all-inclusive resort designed primarily for families, blending Greek island charm with abundant activities. Perched with stunning Aegean Sea views, it's just 10 minutes from Kos International Airport and a 15 to 20-minute walk to Kardamina town's tavernas, shops, and harbor. The location offers direct access to a private pebble sand beach with calm waters, though some guests note the need for water shoes due to rocks. Comprising 2 connected sections, Mikri Poli and another area, the layout involves some walking or buggy rides, adding to the expansive feel but potentially tiring for those with young children or mobility issues. Ideal for family escapes, it's near attractions like the ancient Asclepion, 20 kilometers away, making it a convenient base for island exploration via bus or rental car. Accommodations range from standard doubles to family suites and swim-up rooms, featuring air conditioning, minibars, flat-screen TVs, safes, and furnished balconies with garden, pool, or sea views. Rooms are described as spacious and spotless, with daily housekeeping praised for being unintrusive. Rooms were really spacious and cleaned regularly. Upgrades like private pools or family suites enhance comfort, but inconsistencies arise. Some units feel dated and tired, needing modernization, with complaints of cramped spaces for larger groups or poor placement, e.g., suites at opposite ends. Cleanliness scores high, though occasional issues like limited complimentary water, one bottle initially, or musty smells are noted. Dining spans multiple buffet and a la carte options, Italian, Asian, with huge selections, themed nights, and kids' menus. Food is often beautiful with plenty of choice. Lots of different choice, and they got themed nights, including fresh salads, grills, and desserts. However, opinions vary. Repetitive menus, cold dishes, or bland flavors disappoint some, with one calling it diabolical. All-inclusive drinks include cocktails, but complaints of watered-down options persist. Reservations for specialty restaurants can be frustrating, though service in spots like the Italian is good. Staff service receives glowing feedback, amazing, friendly, and proactive. Staff were amazing, with buggy drivers and bar staff particularly noted for cheerfulness. Minor delays occurred during peaks. Overall, the resort earned 4/5 on TripAdvisor from 3,164 reviews, 8.010 on Hotels.com from 16 reviews, and positive sentiments on Booking.com from 56 verified stays, e.g. 9.0 wonderful in related contexts. Pros: stunning location of views, clean facilities, family activities, helpful staff, value for all-inclusive. Cons: dated rooms, repetitive food, large layout requiring walks, not fully 5-star luxury. Best for families with kids craving pools and entertainment. Request sea views, book restaurants early, and enjoy the beach sunsets. Word count: 498.